Take a still shot of it.
Look at that. Billy Bob's Pizza, Constipated Billy Bob,
Hey.
Wonderland. It seems to be working okay. Yeah, it's always a plus, right?
Yeah. Find out after you get there that it's
I don't see Britt anywhere. What's that? That's the "We'll show your gang a good time" anywhere? Something like that.
That'll be a good picture.
All right. This is Kentucky, and you can see that the grass is not blue.
Not in February.
Oh wait, there's the incredibly nice sign over there underneath the station. I'm just teasing. All right.
The answer to your trivia question, you're supposed to let the audience guess.
Here we are in Billy Bob's Wonderland.
Oh, okay.
There's Billy Bob.
Who won the World Series in
Who won the World Series? We'll be back at the answer to that trivia question right after this song.
Why? Okay, Drew. They're supposed to have Rolf and Earl out right now, but they don't.
Oh, that's terrible.
Rolf and Earl are the ones who are supposed to be singing this song.
Oh. Apparently the curtain is singing the song. Oh wait, there we go. Can't see them very well, but they're singing. Oh well, there we go. Where are they? Oh, there they are. There's the whole stage open. Alright, we'll be back later. There's my sister. She's extremely happy to be here. Miscellaneous individual walking through. Extravaganza light show going on. Up there, while this is playing, you can see. There we go. The Rolf and Earl, Duke and Fats. You see there Billy Bob and Mooney Bird. Dad. With soda. Okay. Alright, over there you can see Britt. Okay, as I was saying, Britt was over there. Camera died on me there for a second. But, oh wait, there she goes. There's Britt. Over there you can see the game room. Pictures on the walls there. Here she comes. There she goes. Miscellaneous people. Over there's the pizza bar. Pickup window. All that other happy stuff. And there they are playing again. I thought I would also show you Mom and Dad. Anyway, there's Dad and Mother playing skee-ball. Collecting tickets, I suppose. Yep. Uh-huh. Yeah, there we go. That's cool. Oh, hang on. What do you got? Oh. Nice. Check that out. Nice scrolling lines effect there again. Turtles. And there's actually a Titanic thing here somewhere too. There you got Cannon Alley, Hopper Ball, miscellaneous robot. And you come back in here and you will find my sister videotaping the show from a different camera. The show being right there. I don't know if you can see it, but up there you can see the spider. Here. Hey, what's up? I know you.
Hi, Drew.
How you doing? Okay. That was fun. I'm walking back this way now. Okay. That was fun. I'm walking back this way now.
Like, zoom in on Mitzi here. Here we go. I'm just gonna start singing now. Taking the camera. That's a good shot. Oh. Hello, Billy Bob. Okay, curtain. Hello, Dookie. He is drunk. We get scary effects. Hand over the link, too. Hey!
Y'all, come on. This is really an important night for me. Please let me go on.
Y'all are messing up Mitzi's first night to ever introduce a show. Ladies and gentlemen, pretend like none of that happened. Mitzi, start the show. Close curtains, close curtains.
Thank you. Okay. Hi, everybody. Okay. Hi, everybody. I have a trivia question for you to start out this show. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. I have a trivia question to start out the show with. You know, as you probably have already noticed, this is my first time ever starting out a show before. And so I have a question for you. On this stage, besides me, well, it's not really true now that I've started out a show, but who else has never started out a show before?
Well, that's a good question. Good question. Yeah, good question. Who's that?
I'm not going to tell you yet. You have to guess.
All right, you did real good. That's That's real good. Let's hear it for it, ladies and gentlemen. Betsy opened her first show. Come on, let's hear it for her. Yeah.
Thank you.
Come on. This song is dedicated to Drew. Hold it steady.
Okay, y'all, I have the answer to the trivia question which I asked a little bit earlier.
Oh, yes, who's that?
That was, what character has never introduced a show before? Have you figured that one out?
What character else? What character else did you? I introduced plenty of shows. Yeah, me too.
Well, I introduced mine last show.
Yeah, so that knocks us four out. Who else is it?
Well, there's Choo Choo.
Choo-choo's right down here in this barrel down here. See right in front of Duke's drum down here? Yeah. The little bear bouncing around down there. Hey, Choo-choo.
Hey, Fats.
Oh.
Yeah, I've got my trivia thing all down.
Whoa, what you got?
Okay, well, here it is. Did you know that there are more television sets in America than there are people in Japan?
My.
Incredible, isn't it?
How do you know that? You just been playing Trivial Pursuit.
I swear.
Well, what does that have to do with what we're doing up here? Well, what?
Well, okay.
Well, tell us.
I'll let you in on this.
Okay, tell us.
Okay, this next song is by the Tigers.
Whoa! What a transition.
I know.
You hit and smack it with the carrot.
Oh, all right. Whoops, that's not good. I smell cake now. Feeling gross.
question with this sorry facts.
Well, Betsy, you know, I don't know if we can start to settle down at least one little trivia thing, since it is trivia night and everything, you know.
Well, I'm sorry, I just couldn't think of anything.
Hey, guys, how about one of you two? You got anything pertinent to this song we can come up with?
Well, as a matter of fact, I do.
Oh, well, go ahead, tell us what it is.
Well, actually, it's
The Wells
nothing to do with
and
you.
Earl.
It's close.
Because the song is called Lips of Seal, so you thought you needed to come up with something about lip.
Yeah, but this is close. It's close.
Okay, well, tell me.
Well, do you know the human mouth produces over 1 quart of saliva each day?
Oh my gosh, that is so gross. Nobody wants to hear anything like that.
That's right, you spit out disgusting.
Hey, nobody said anatomy was pretty.
Her ears are supposed to go back and forth.
This is us leaving Billy Bob's Wonderland. There's Britt.
Going to the next spot.
She's very happy about the idea. That's Mom. Check out this rock strata. Alright, I'm done. Anyway, there's Dad. And there's the Billy Bob sign and the other Billy Bob sign, which we missed earlier. There you go. Alright. This is the trunk. In we go. Okay, here we are walking into the other Billy Bob's Wonderland. Let's see. Let's see where the sign is. There it is. Right there. And the sign is up there on the side of the building. Right there. Right. More once we get inside. Oh, wait. I might as well just wait. Because my sister's going to want a picture of the parody poster. Oh, I'm making you seasick, aren't I? I'm sorry. Hang on, I'll get a picture of it for her. We have one called The String. And over here, one called apparently Mozzarella Mitzi. Rip off Tootsie. That's what it's Cable. Dad? Mom. Mom is, as usual, avoiding the camera. Okay. This is the inside of another place. There's the stages. There's Britt waiting for the shows to start. They got extra lighting here too.
Fury